What? Are you recording? Well, if you are, my name is Erica, and I'm gonna explain you why I should be a marketing trainee in PepsiCo. Well, first of all, I'm a very ambitious woman. I always try to give the 110% in everything that I do. I'm a very passionate woman. I try to imprint this passion in all the areas of my life. Well, I think that passion is important, and that has given me a very wide vision of the world. So I think that I'm a very qualified person to be in PepsiCo. Well, there's also something very special about me. I always aim high with my goals. I always give the 110%. For me, the sky is the limit, so if you can think it, you can reach it. That's why I think I'm very special for PepsiCo, because I will give everything for the company. Well, now I'm gonna talk about my personal skills. I'm a very responsible woman. I'm also organized and practical. Also, I try to be very creative. I think that nowadays we need creativity to understand consumers' mind. So I think that's important also for PepsiCo, and that's a quality that I could develop in the company. I think also something important to develop in a company are values and ethics. I think these both things need to be combined to be able to develop a good job inside a company. So why I want to be part of PepsiCo? Well, first of all, because PepsiCo is a multinational company and it's one of the most important companies all around the world. Also, I think they have developed leadership in the market. So that for me, that's important. I want to be part of something big as the world.